Masking is the process of covering a cake in a smooth, seamless coating of icing before the final decoration. Dirty icing is a rough, thin coat of buttercream used to fill in any gaps or cracks prior to icing a new layer of glaçage, RTR, fondant, or ganache. A seamless finish with a ganache icing is achieved by following a specific process. The cake is masked or dirty iced with buttercream on a finishing tray before it is left to set in refrigeration. Once the buttercream is set, the cake is placed on a wire rack with a drip tray. Ganache is ladled over the centre, ensuring an even coating with no air bubbles. Once coated, the sides of the tray is tapped, dislodging excess ganache, and the cake is set in the core room before finishing. RTR or fondant. A smooth and flexible icing, ready to roll, is also called plastic icing. The icing should be kneaded lightly before rolling out to the desired size and thickness. When using RTR, the workbench should be lightly dusted with a sieved icing sugar or corn flour. Any cake that is being covered with RTR needs to be either dirty iced or coated with a glaze to ensure the icing adheres to the cake surface.